Hi, my name is Sharice. I am the clinical supervisor at Bivens Orthodontics, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you have a poking wire. Okay, to fix the poking wire, here are some items that you will find around your house that will be helpful. You have a pair of nail clippers, cuticle cutters, or some type of wire cutter, and a pair of tweezers. You can clean all of these items by wiping them down with alcohol or running them through the dishwasher to sterilize them. Once that's complete, you will go ahead and take your tweezers, go into the mouth, and you're going to check that back bracket to make sure that it's not loose. If that bracket is loose, you will take your tweezers, grab the bracket, and slide it off the wire. Once that's removed, you'll go ahead and take your cutters and you'll go to the very back of the bracket, snip the wire there. If there's any wire that's left in the mouth, you'll take your tweezer, grab the wire, and remove it. If that wire is still bothering you in the back, you can then take your wax that you will find in your new patient kit. You can also purchase this on Amazon or down the dental aisle anywhere you shop. You'll take a cotton swab or some type of roll and wipe off this back bracket to make sure it's nice and dry. You'll then take a piece of your wax, roll it into a ball, and then press it right over the area that's bothering you. That will stay secure, and then you can call the office and we'll schedule an appointment to bring you in and cut the wire for you.